In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Microsoft Word Compatibility Checker. The Compatibility Checker is a valuable tool in Microsoft Word that helps you ensure your document will work correctly in older versions of Word. This is particularly useful if you need to share files with colleagues or clients who may not have the latest version of the software. By using this feature, you can avoid formatting issues, missing features, or other compatibility problems. To start, open the Word document you want to check. Click on the File tab in the top left corner to access the main menu. From here, select Info if it isn't already highlighted. In the Info panel, look for the Check for Issues button. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, including Check Compatibility. Select Check Compatibility, and Word will open the Compatibility Checker dialog box. Here you'll see a list of potential issues that could occur if the document is opened in an earlier version of Word. These issues are categorized by features that might not be supported, such as smart art graphics, themes, text effects, or certain formatting elements. The Compatibility Checker also gives you the option to check compatibility for multiple versions of Word, allowing you to see how your document would behave in each one. This is helpful if you're unsure which version your recipients might be using. Once the check is complete, the tool will display any problems it finds. You can click on each item to get more information about the issue and suggestions on how to resolve it. This might involve simplifying formatting, removing unsupported features, or making adjustments to ensure the document displays correctly in older versions. After reviewing the compatibility issues, you can make the necessary changes directly in your document. If you plan to share the file with someone using an older version of Word, it's a good idea to save it in that format. To do this, go to File, select Save As, and choose the older Word format, such as Word 97 to 2003 document, to ensure maximum compatibility. By using the Compatibility Checker, you can confidently share your documents knowing that the formatting and features will be preserved, even for users with older versions of Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.